Hi guys, this is your coach Shawna Strong here, and I just wanted to clear up this myth that you can get flat abs or ripped abs or six-pack in 30 days. It's unrealistic, and it's not going to happen, because no matter what magical exercise you think you have, that's not going to get your abs to pop. What does is diet. So you have to have a clean, lean diet, like rid of sugar, rid of alcohol, these things that your body just converts to body fat. Those have to be gone. Like, even if I get ready for competition, then I have to be extremely strict with my diet in order for my abs to pop. And the exercises just help to give shape to the muscles and strength. So underneath that layer of fat, you're not going to really see your abs. You might touch it and feel it's harder, and you might feel a difference when you're doing other agility moves and throughout your day, sitting down. However, you're not going to see them until you diet hardcore. So, in that note, I'm happy to show you some exercises to help strengthen your abs, but unless you want to get the abs to completely pop and show, then we need to get you on a regimen where you're eating all the right foods, the right timing, the right amounts, the right caloric intake for your needs and your expenditure needs. So there is a science to it. That's why I'm a professional bodybuilder, because I know what the hell I'm doing. And I'm sharing my knowledge with you, so you better listen. Oh yeah. Anyway, so I'll show you some exercises. Don't go at the end of the video and kind of talk you through it. I might feel it sound a little out of breath because I just did a leg workout. So, yay. Onward and upward. If you like this video and you want to add more comments, please like, subscribe, add comments. Tell me what videos you would like to see, what questions you may have, and I will do my best to get back to you and fulfill whatever need is out there. So, stay tuned. Here's a core exercise that is going to work your obliques. So just twisting the ball side to side. I'm balancing on my butt right now. If you can't do that, you can put your heels on the floor. Just holding those abs in and twisting with your abs, not your back. Staying tight. There you go. This next one is a lower abdominal lift. So I'm just going to straighten my legs and lay on my back. Arms are just here to support, but you're going to try to push your toes up towards the ceiling and lift your butt off the floor. Just let your lower abs boost you off the floor. Just focus there. You're going to feel some of your upper abs engage, and that's completely normal, but for lower abdominal targeting, you got to think about that area working. And if this doesn't work for you with your feet straight up in the air, you can bend your legs at a 90-degree angle and then suck your belly button into the floor, and then just lower your heels down to the ground, tap it, come right back up, but don't speed, because when you come up with the movement, you're going to keep that belly button tucked down into the floor, sucking your lower back down, and then you're just going to raise. And I like to sometimes touch right there where I'm supposed to be feeling the movement. And relax your neck. Or good. Doesn't have to be perfect. You don't have to really, really raise off the floor to feel it. Sometimes it's the smallest movement that you feel. So that was that one. We're moving on. Okay, now we're going to do a double crunch. Double crunch. All right, so it sounds like a candy bar, but let's not think about that. All right, so we're gonna come up like this with your knees up, back is flat into the ground. Put your arms behind your head, just kind of supporting the base of your neck. And what you're going to do is you're gonna pull your body out just like this, with your shoulders on the ground and your heels on the floor, and you're gonna just crunch together, just like that. So you're just gonna put your elbows and touch your knees and squeeze. So the whole time, your abs are engaged, upper and lower, baby. So double your pleasure. Breathe out. So when you come out, you're going to do a slight breath in and then breathe out when you come together. Oof, I don't know about you. I'm feeling these already. Okay, so let me see if I can do bicycle here. Bear with me as I change the camera. Okay, here we go. So lying down on a bench or on the floor, we're going to go cross, opposite elbow, opposite knee. And you can time yourself with these, or you can count it out. Sometimes I do 30 total, or 30 seconds, or even longer. And that's about the speed I like to go. But I'm making sure I'm touching the inside of my elbow to my knee the entire time. Ooh, there we go. So there you have it, little routine. It doesn't replace dieting, but if you want to get your abs strong, these are some good movements for you to use in your repertoire. And then just remember, you gotta eat properly if you want to get lean. That's the magic pill. So, hope you enjoyed the video today, and definitely leave a comment, response, whatever if you have any of your own tips or for videos that you would like me to create, please do write it down, and I will use that. So, take care and click the link, make sure you subscribe, and let me know if I can help you in any other ways. I'm here for you.